Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ward County in western Texas, southwestern Winkler County in western Texas, southeastern Loving County in western Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northeast of Mentone, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wink and Winkler County Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.